On behalf of Sibebe Resort, we are so happy and excited ukuthi finally sokube khona la nathi sivela khona ekusupporteni umdlalo ibhola. So lokhona as a result sithi adilime THL. So this is the first tournament esiyisupportayo le khona kaHhohho, but kuningi lokudako, so esingakunxusa ukuthi ema teams kuncane khona kwanamuhla, but the way into otimisela ngakhona manje into wafaka as the teams, the commitment, the discipline, lento lesitoyibona ezisibukela emidlalo itosina nathi sikhona ukubeka kubaphathi ukuthi hey asimane sikhule le sponsorship. So siyafisa kakhulu and amaphupho lesinawo as a resort maningi kakhulu ukuthi sisupporte kithi is beyond CSI, but i-community yakaHhohho, uMzimba, Mbuluzi basupporte kakhulu as kusetshenzwa. Mawubuka nje staff sethu labaningi over 75% Mhlonishwa bahlala lapha nje around. Ngeke kwende nje ukuthi ngeke mangibuka nje bakhona nje mangiyana nje sinayo emsebenzini lethu kaSibebe, bakhona nje labanye bakhona. So Sibebe is part of the community, so sibonga ukuthi nisibambise and sinethinyamatanga ekhona kuncane asake seva nje kuthiwa nekhona seyibulewe abantu sibambe badingela lapha konke lokho kuyasikhuthaza nathi as uSibebe ukuthi no yathi siku community, let's come together ne community sibambane sikhulise umango wethu lokuncane okukhona ukuthi sikuphosele esivele. And lokunye umarketing wami uthi kude umuntu omele afike kangwane umuntu wala kangwane Mhlonishwa ongakamele afike kuSibebe, wonke umuntu umele afike kuSibebe. So sesinilanza nani mana hasa nafika kuSibebe sithi ngiyacela yathi sikavumelani, but akube khona le mdlalo lenyukiye lena kuSibebe mawungaba mawungavumeleka singajabula kakhulu mhlawumbe even ifinal nje iye lethu or semi final. So ngizokusela lokho official, but sisacela labadlali salibhola ngoba kukhona lokufuna nathi sikumithe as a sponsor, but siyafisa ukuthi nifike nje sinohoste nim experience la niSibebe ingahlali nivo talk yabhadala ungena, but ngelangalela nje ngibusise and lokhona I think abantu khona ukuthi bayihlele kahle bodokotela mase sabayipresenta thina nje we are so excited and ukubonga nje kuphela kakhulu la ukuthi nisivumele nathi sivele kwethu emidlalo. Siyabonga.